Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to begin an important topic called Introduction to the Market Milk Industry. In this session, we will understand this topic step by step, just like we do in a regular classroom. Now, let us understand what is meant by market milk and why this topic is important. The first point is, what is market milk? Market milk refers to fresh, fluid milk meant for direct consumption. This is the milk that reaches consumers in liquid form, such as toned milk, standardized milk, or full cream milk, without being converted into products like butter or cheese. The next point is, why study market milk? Market milk forms the foundation of the dairy industry. It plays a major role in nutrition security because milk supplies essential nutrients like proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to all age groups. Another important aspect shown here is the scope of study. The market milk industry covers the entire production to consumption chain, starting from milk production at the farm level and ending with safe milk reaching the consumer. With this basic idea clear, we can move further. Now, let us understand the meaning of market milk in a more technical sense. Here you can see three key ideas connected to market milk. The first is clean production. This means milk should be produced under hygienic conditions, following proper milking practices to avoid contamination. The second point is no chemical residues. Market milk should be free from residues of antibiotics, pesticides, or any harmful chemicals because these can affect human health. The third point is healthy animals. Milk must come only from healthy animals as diseased animals can transmit infections through milk. At the bottom, we have the ICAR definition. According to ICAR, market milk is fresh and clean milk from healthy animals produced under hygienic conditions with good keeping quality. This definition clearly combines all the important quality aspects of market milk. Now, let us understand the importance of market milk industry. The first point highlighted is complete food and nutritional security. Milk is considered a complete food because it provides essential nutrients required for growth, especially for children, elderly people, and pregnant women. Next is the economic impact. India produces more than 110 million tons of milk, making it the world's #1 milk producer. This shows how important the milk industry is for the national economy. Another important point is rural livelihoods. More than 14 million farmers depend on milk production for their income. For many rural families, dairying is a regular source of daily income. The final point is safe milk and quality assurance. The market milk industry ensures that milk supplied to consumers meets healthy and hygienic standards, protecting public health. Now, let us focus on the role of market milk in the dairy sector. At the center, we have market milk, which acts as the backbone of the dairy industry. The first role is foundation of the industry. Market milk is the primary product around which the entire dairy sector is built. Another important role is the cooperative movement. In India, dairy cooperatives help small farmers by collecting milk, processing it, and marketing it efficiently. Next is value addition. Surplus market milk can be converted into products like curd, butter, ghee, and milk powder, increasing its economic value. Finally, we have the national milk grid. This system helps in balancing milk supply and demand by transporting milk from surplus regions to deficit regions. Now, let us understand the market milk supply chain, shown here as a step-by-step flow. The first stage is the village dairy society, where milk producers supply fresh milk. This is the primary collection point at the village level. The next stage is the Milk Union Collection Center. Here, milk is tested for quality and temporarily stored before processing. The third stage is the processing plant. At this stage, milk undergoes pasteurization, which destroys harmful microorganisms and improves safety. The final stage is the urban market, where processed milk reaches consumers. This entire system is connected through the national milk grid, which links rural producers with urban consumers. This page provides a visual summary of the market milk industry. First, the definition is highlighted again as clean and safe milk produced hygienically with minimal bacteria and no chemical residues. Next, the importance is summarized through economic impact, large-scale milk production, farmer involvement, and nutritional security. Then, the role of market milk is shown as the foundation of the industry, supported by the cooperative movement and the national milk grid. Finally, the supply chain is summarized as a smooth flow from village society to union, then to processing plant, and finally to urban markets. This visual neatly connects all the concepts we have learned so far. Now we come to the end of this session. Thank you for learning with Mootechie. Keep learning and keep growing.